Let us now continue with our Get Keywords lab. But before we run this in AutoCAD, I forgot to add this into the block table record. So let's append our MTX first and add into our transaction. Otherwise, we won't see this in AutoCAD. Okay, so let us save the project one more time and do another rebuild. Done. Let us now load in AutoCAD our plugin. Okay, so we should have the draw using GetKeywords method. There you go. So these are our options, keyword options. It shows also at the command prompt here. Alright, so let's select a line object. Let us zoom extents. There you go. This is our line. Let's try running the method again. Let's say the circle. There's our circle. Let's try one more time to draw the M text. There is our M text. So if I select on escape, then this is our default, no option selected. So that's about it for the get keyword option. So it's very straightforward once you get yourself familiar with this keyword, and then add your keywords, and then check the results and do the necessary logic based on your code requirement. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.